Good morning students, I hope you all are good. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 4, electromagnetic induction and alternating current. The first part we have completed, am I correct? We are going to discuss now second part. In that second part we have discussed number of topics. Today we are going to discuss analogies between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation. Analogies between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation. Here, the simple harmonic oscillation we have studied in the 11th standard itself, isn't it? So we have to compare LC oscillation in the simple harmonic oscillation. How to compare? In the electromagnetic energy, LC oscillation, what is that? In the electromagnetic oscillation of LC system, in compared with electromagnetic energy of LC system compared with magnetic energy of the, what is that? Magnet or mechanical oscillation of spring mass system. Can you able to catch the words? See, electromagnetic energy of what system? LC system, or electromagnetic energy or electromagnetic oscillation of, best here, electromagnetic oscillation. Electromagnetic oscillations of LC system is compared with mechanical oscillations of spring mass system. We have to compare. We are applying the energy. Here there are two forms of energy in the considered LC system. In LC system, there are two forms of energy. One is electrical energy. In electrical energy means, where is that? Capacitor. Magnetic, second one, magnetic energy in the inductor. That means the energy can be stored like electrical energy in the capacitor, magnetic energy in the inductor. See, in the LC system there are two forms of energy. What is that? There are two forms. One of the form electrical energy and another forms. In the same way, in spring mass system, there are two forms of energy. Also, two forms of energy. There are two forms of energy in compressed and extended. If compressed means potential energy, in the compressed, and kinetic energy, I'll write a simple form. Kinetic energy in the mass system. Kinetic energy in the mass system. So see, I'll write the equation: electrical energy and magnetic. Electrical energy 1 by 2 Q square by C. Magnetic energy 1 by 2 Li square. So here also potential energy 1 by 2 Kx square. Potential energy and kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv square. These are the energy stored. Where they stored means in the spring mass system, potential and kinetic energy, and electrical magnetic energy in the LC system. We have to compare these two energies in the LC oscillation with the spring mass system. How to compare? Using angular velocity. What is that? Using angular velocity. This is topic number 1, qualitative treatment. Qualitative qualitative treatment. We have to compare with the qualitative treatment. So now we have to compare the angular frequency of LC oscillation. What is that? The angular frequency of the oscillation in spring mass system. The angular frequency of angular frequency of oscillation in spring, what is that? Spring mass system. We can write the equation. What is the equation? Omega is equal to 1 by, omega is equal to root of k by m. So in this equation, I want to write L is equal to, K is equal to, what is that? K is equal to 1 by C. M, K tends to 1 by C, then M tends to L. So what we have to write in the angular frequency? Omega is equal to 1 by root of L. 1 by, how that? See, I substitute omega. What is that? K value? K value is nothing but 1 by, already root is there. So 1 by C, isn't it? Then K value 1 by C, then M value is there. No. What is M value? L. So I want to write in the 1 by root of L into C. 1 by root of L into C. This is angular frequency. We have to prove angular frequency. So analog is between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation. This is a qualitative treatment. So just the LC oscillation of LC circuit, we have to compare it with mechanical oscillation of spring mass system. So LC system, the energy is stored, mechanical energy, electrical and magnetic. In the spring mass system, potential and kinetic energy. Next we are going to discuss quantitative treatment. What is the second topic? This is 5-mark question. Quantitative treatment. This is qualitative. Next, quantitative treatment. So don't confuse. All are considered here the equation type, but it is simple. You have to follow and take down the notes. So the second one, quantitative. What is that? Quantitative treatment. So quantitative treatment, the mechanical energy of the spring mass system. First we have to learn the mechanical. This is very important. Mechanical energy of what system? Definitely mechanical energy means spring mass system. Spring mass system. So what is the energy? Energy equation we can write like that. E is equal to kinetic energy, sum of the kinetic and potential energy. So already we have known what is kinetic energy. So E is equal to 1 by 2 m v square plus 1 by 2 k x square. Consider this is equation number 1. Now what we want to do means differentiate the equation. Differentiate the equation number 1. So dE by dt, the left side, right side 1 by 2 m, there is no change. Differentiate v square, we have discussed the differentiation method, 2v dv by dt, isn't it? So plus 1 by 2, what is that? Kx square, k there is no change, x square, 2x dx by dt equal to 0. Equal to, what is that? 0. Or we can write like that the equation. See, I will show. Or how to write this equation means m d square x by dt square plus kx equal to 0. How this equation suddenly came? Don't confuse. See, one more step I will show that here. Equal dE by here dE by dt equal to, if cancel this, m dv mv into dv by dt. Am I correct? Plus here also cancel rest of the term kx dx by dt, isn't it? So here when we substitute certain things, what we want to substitute? So here dv by dt is nothing but d square x by dt square. Then dx by dt is nothing but v. These are the important factors. These are the important factors. See, dv by dt, d square x by dt square, dx by dt is nothing but v. Now you have to substitute. How to substitute? See here, m, there is no change. What is v? Dx by dt. Then dv by dt, dv by dt, dx square by dt square, plus k. Then x, dx by dt, no. So here also instead of v, dx by dt, if we cancel that, we are getting m, d square x by dt square plus kx equal to 0. From that equation, I want to write like that. Which formulation means x of t equal to x of m cos omega t plus pi. I explain why I written this equation here. Xm is the maximum value with respect to time. What is xm denoted? Maximum value of x of t. Maximum value of x of t. What is omega? Means angular frequency, isn't it? Angular frequency. Am I correct? Angular frequency. Phi is the phase angle between. What is that? Phase angle. Phase angle, that is constant. What is that? That is constant. Now we are going to discuss similarly the electromagnetic. What is that? The electromagnetic oscillation in or electromagnetic energy in LC. Similarly, this is a symbol of similarly. Similarly, electromagnetic. What is that? Electromagnetic energy in LC oscillations. Electromagnetic energy in LC oscillation. Similarly, we can prove that. What is that electromagnetic equation? U is equal to here 1 by 2 Li square plus 1 by 2 Q square by C. 1 by 2 Li square plus 1 by 2 Q square by C equal to constant. Consider this is equation number 2. Differentiate the equation number 2. Differentiate the equation number 2. So what we will get? The left side du by dt. Am I correct? Right side 1 by 2 L. If I square dt means 2 differentiate 2i di by dt plus 1 by 2 q square by 1 by 2 into c q square 2q dq by. So maximum we want to cancel that. 2 here 2 rest of the term L 2i di by dt plus 1 by c q dq by dt. So here equal to 0, here equal to 0. I want to substitute following factors. I is nothing but dq by dt. Then di by dt is nothing but d square q by dt square. D square q by dt square. Substitute in the following equation. So L here 2 so what is I is nothing but dq by dt, isn't it? So rest of the term di by dt d square q by dt square plus q by c. So otherwise we can write 1 by c. What is q here? Q is nothing but dq by r. Here when you differentiate that q square, we are getting q by then 1 minute. So substitute these values, q dq by dt. Here what is that? I is nothing but dq by dt, no. So you have to consider like that. Otherwise if you have more confusion, just note that equal to 0. So maximum we have to substitute these things, and or we can write like that. See, L d square q by dt square plus q by c. What is that? Q by c equal to 0. Consider, already we have considered now one equation. Where is that equation? Here. So I will box that. So I'll show here. From that equation is another form, q of t equal to qm sin omega t plus. Otherwise you can write that this is also all that cos omega t plus, what is that? Cos omega t plus pi. What is that? Cos omega t plus pi. So q of t here, what is same here, the xm is there, no, here q of qm is the maximum value of q of t, maximum here energy, here maximum charge in that. So omega t angular frequency plus pi is the place angle, that is constant. If you have any doubt in the quantitative treatment, already we have discussed qualitative treatment. Am I correct? Next we are discussed quantitative treatment. Now we are going to discuss what we are going to discuss, current in the LC circuit. What is that? Current in the LC. Why we want to discuss this? Because see that our topic, what is our topic? Analogies between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation. Analogies between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation. So what is our next topic? So our next topic is current in the LC circuit. What is our next topic? Current in the LC circuit. So current in the LC. So we have to do current in the LC circuit. So I is the current. I is equal to dq by dt. Am I correct? I is equal to dq by dt. So we know that what is q? Q is equal to qm cos omega t. What is that? Qm cos omega t plus pi. Cos omega t plus pi. See that equation? Cos. Now we have to substitute in this equation. We are getting what we are getting means I is equal to differentiation of dt. That means differentiation. What is q? Qm cos omega t plus pi. First differentiate cos. Differentiation of cos minus sin. So minus and pi is the constant. The differentiate we are getting 0 constant. So omega t we have first differentiate omega t. Qm is constant qm. Then omega t is omega cos sin omega t plus pi. Omega t plus pi sin. So I is equal to Im minus Im sin omega t plus pi. Why? How it came? This Im directly, because Im is equal to Qm into omega. This is current in the LC circuit. We have discussed qualitative treatment, quantitative treatment also completed. Next we have completed current in the LC circuit. Current formula I is equal to dq by dt. Q we have calculated. Q is equal to Qm cos omega t plus pi. When we are differentiate, we are getting I is equal to the current. Here what is Im? Maximum current. Maximum current in the LC circuit. Okay, any doubt for this equation? No. Maximum current in the LC circuit. So next we are going to discuss angular frequency in the LC circuit. What is that? Angular frequency in LC oscillation. All is nothing but the LC oscillation. angular frequency in the LC oscillation or LC circuit. So the differentiate the equation number, see already Q is there, no? What is the Q? Q is nothing but Qm cos omega t plus pi. Am I correct? So if you differentiate 2 times d square q by dt square. What is that? D square q by dt square. What we get if you differentiate 2 times? You are getting minus qm omega square cos omega t plus pi. This is constant differentiate value. What is that? Minus qm cos qm omega square cos omega t plus pi. Use this value. We have to substitute one equation. What is that equation? Means L d square q by dt square plus 1 by c q equal to 0. So q value we know that, and d square q by dt square also we know that. Now we have to substitute. So first L, what is that? D square instead we have write minus qm omega square cos omega t plus pi. Am I correct? Plus what is nothing but 1 by c. What is q? Q is nothing but qm cos omega t plus pi equal to 0. If you solve that equation, we are getting the angular frequency omega is equal to 1 by root of LC. What is that? Omega is equal to root of 1 by root of LC. Very simple. Angular frequency in the LC oscillation. I solved it directly. If you solve in your note, definitely substitute that number of steps. Derive that, you are getting omega is equal to 1. Everything I written in the before statements, isn't it? So no need to explain about that. So you will, if you want to try that in your book. So next, so angular frequency in the LC oscillation over. So next our topic is. So next our topic, oscillation of electric and magnetic energy. Oscillations of electrical and magnetic energy. Oscillations of what is that? Electrical and magnetic energy. Electrical and magnetic. So I hope that we are derived, am I correct? The electrical energy and magnetic energy. So the electrical energy of LC oscillation, the electrical energy of LC. So what is that? The electrical energy of LC oscillation. So U capacitor, no, U is equal to 1 by 2 Q square by C, isn't it? We knew that Q value. So 1 by 2 Q maximum energy divided by cos square omega t plus pi. Am I correct? So the electrical energy of LC oscillation, like that. The magnetic energy of LC oscillation. So we knew that equation because we have derived before. So that represented by magnetic UB is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. Am I correct? Li square. 1 by 2 Li square. So when you substitute that, the derived equations, use the values. UB equal to 1 by 2 Q square m by c sin square omega t plus pi. I written very directly. If you have any doubt, please you substitute the values. We have derived I. What is I? I is equal to minus of Im sin omega t, isn't it? Sorry, cos Im cos omega t plus pi. When you substitute and get the value, here you want to substitute this value. then you are getting the what is that? Magnetic energy. What is that? Magnetic energy. Here pi is equal to 0. What is that? From equations. So the magnetic energy and kinetic energy, electrical energy. Electrical energy UE equal to 1 by 2 qm square c cos square omega t plus pi. Same for that, magnetic energy UB equal to 1 by 2 qm square by c sin square omega t plus pi. When you substitute and get it, U is equal to UE plus UB. We are getting Q square m by 2c. Isn't it? Remains constant the energy. Because sin square omega t plus pi plus cos square omega t plus pi value 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you want to draw the graph between energy and the x-axis energy and y-axis q square m by 2c. See that if you electrical energy, what is that? Electrical energy and magnetic energy. So this is UE, electrical energy, UB, magnetic energy. Electrical and magnetic energies. So electrical energy, magnetic energies. Y-axis. This is oscillation of electric and magnetic energy. So in our topics, analogies between LC oscillation and simple harmonic oscillation, isn't it? In the topic, what we have discussed, I will show that. See what are the topics we have discussed. First, qualitative treatment. Second one, quantitative treatment. Third one, current in the LC circuit. So first one, qualitative treatment. Second one, quantitative treatment. Third one, current in the LC circuit. And fourth one, angular frequency. LC oscillation. And fifth one, electromagnetic oscillations of electric and magnetic energy. Oscillations of electric and magnetic energies. So see that what are the topic we have discussed? Qualitative treatment, quantitative treatment, current in the LC circuit, angular frequency of LC oscillation, oscillation of electric and magnetic energy. We have derived detailed equation, isn't it? So what you will do means you want to take the note and take down the notes and derive the equations wherever the necessary condition to apply and write number of times. You get a clear idea, then only you will write in the examination. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you.